Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on logarithms. No? So sa previous video ay dinerive natin yung logarithm of a product. No? At nagkaroon tayo ng konting exercises on how to use logarithm of a product. So in this video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba yung logarithm of a quotient. Pag may dalawa kang logarithms na same base at dinivide mo sila, paano mangyayari? No? So just a brief review, pag meron tayong a raised to x equals m in exponential form, ang logarithmic form yan ay logarithm of m to the base a equals x. So nakita nyo yung direksyon para pagpabalik, a raised to x equals m. No? So, ganun yun. Now, if we have another expression or equation, a raised to y equals n, this becomes logarithm of n to the base a equals y. Okay? Malinaw yan, no? Kasi napag-aralan na natin yan sa mga previous videos at marami na kayong practice exercises. Now, what if we divide a to the x by a to the y? So, maging a to the x over a to the y. Since yung a to the x mo ay equal to m, no? So, m over n ito. Tama? At saka yung a to the y mo equals n. No? But what's another way of writing a raised to x over a raised to y? You can write this as a raised to the x minus y, no? By the law of exponent. No? So, m over n. Pero ito, paano natin ito gagawin na in exponential notation? Ano ulit yun? Logarithm of dito m, di ba? M yung ating argument, no? So ito, anong argument natin dito? M over n, di ba? M over n. Ano ang base natin? Base natin is a. So a equals, ano exponent natin dito? Exponent natin ay yung x minus y, di ba? X minus y. Which means that logarithm of m over n to the base a is equal to, ano yung x natin? Logarithm of m to the base a, tapos yung minus, meron tayong minus dito, tapos yung y natin ay, anong value ng y? Ito yung y natin. Logarithm of n to the base a. So yung formula na yan, nakikita nyo sa logarithm, that's called the logarithm of a quotient. So, ito yan. Ibig sabihin, pag meron kang quotient, quotient of logarithm of a quotient, pwede mo silang i-minus, no? O kaya, baliktad, meron kang difference ng dalawang logarithms with the same base, pwede mo silang gawing division. Okay? So, let's have a few examples para internalize natin yung formula. Example, logarithm of 40 to the base 2 minus logarithm of 10 to the base 2. Paano yan? Evaluate. Minus siya, pwede siyang divide. Same base, diba? So, wala tayong problema. So, magiging equal to logarithm of 40 divided by 10. Kasi magiging ano siya, diba? M over n. Ang m natin dito ay 40. Ang n natin ay 10. To the base 2, no? But 40 over 10 is just 4, no? So logarithm of 4 to the base 2. So saang exponent mo i-erase yung 2 para maging 4? This is 2. This means that 2 over x equals 4, di ba? Logarithm of 4 to the base 2 equals x, di ba? Magiging x yan. So ang x natin ay 2. Okay, number 2, we have a logarithm of 54 to the base 3 minus logarithm of 2 to the base 3. So this is a quotient logarithm. Pareho ng base, no? 54 over 2 to the base 3, which is equal to logarithm of 54 divided by 2, 27 to the base 3 So, saang exponent mo, i-erase yung 3 para maging 27. So, 3, di ba? So, x. The answer is equal to 3. Okay? So, another example. I think this is the last example. So, magiging logarithm, example 3. Logarithm of 8 to the base 10 minus logarithm of 4 to the base 10. So this is equal to logarithm of 8 over 4 to the base 10, which is equal to logarithm of 2 to the base 10. So ibig sabihin nito, sa ang exponent mo, i-erase yung 10 para maging 2 siya. Again, this is not exact, no? So gagamit tayo ng calculator pag ganito. So ano kukunin natin is logarithm of 2. By the way, yung calculator ninyo, naka-base 10 yan, no? So, clear natin, we have logarithm of 2. Logarithm of 2. Okay? So, 0.3010. 0.3010. Meaning, this is equal to 0.3010. Ibig sabihin yan, 10 raised to the 0.3010 is approximately equal to 2. Yung curly equal na yan ang tawag natin dyan, approximately. Kasi hindi naman exacto itong 0.3010, meron pa yan. Infinite decimal yan, kaya hindi siya exact. Therefore, we are giving the approximate. Okay, so sana meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. I'll see you in the next video. Bago kayo magtapos, no? Bago nyo i-close yung window, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, just click the like button, and then if you have some questions, just comment. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.